welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's CVS deals video. I want to wish everyone a happy new week or any day you're watching this video. I hope everybody is getting the 10 off 70 or 6 off 30 next purchase CRT because that helps a lot. And if your account is not getting that, I hope and pray that CVS will fix that very soon. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll be sharing 3 ways to do the spend 40 get $10 back. Hopefully you can find one you like or you can mix and match whichever way that works for you. The first deal is on Nivea Lip Care. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back and they're on sale for 2 for $6. Picking up 2, you have to pay the $6 and get $3 back, making both items $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal will be on any Sally Hansen Cosmetics. Spend 8, get $2 back, and it's a limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear, priced at $4.29 each. 2 of them will come up to $8.58. Use the $3 instant CRT we all received today. Pay $5.58 and get $2 back, making both items $3.58 or $1.79 each. I have a 3 off 18 Colgate CRT, so I'll be joining 2 Colgate deals. The first one is buy 2 get $4 back, and I'll be picking up 2 of the Optic White Stain Fighters, priced at $5.19 each, and these 2 will come up to $10.38. And the next deal I'll be adding will be the spend 12 get $6 back. And this deal includes the toothbrush. I'll pick up the one priced at $5.79. And to get to $12, I'll be picking up the mouthwash priced at $6.29. The total for the mouthwash and the toothbrush is $12.08. That means I've reached my spend 12. And I'll be using this 75-cent coupon I got from Colgate.com. And I have the 3 off 18 Colgate CRT and also a 5 off 3 Colgate digital coupon. It will bring it down to $13.71. And I'll get back $4 for buying 2 and also $6 for spending 12, making all 4 items $3.71 or 93 cents each. The next deal is on buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back on any You by Kotex. Picking up 2 of the 16 count liners priced at $1.89. That means the first one will be full price and the second one will be 95 cents. These 2 will come up to $2.84. There is no coupon for this, but this will be a good filler item if you have the 10 off 17 next purchase CRT. Pay the $2.84, get $2 back, making both items 84 cents or 42 cents each. Buy 2 Dove personal cleansing or deodorant and you get $5 back, limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the Dove hand soap, priced at $5.29 each. These 2 items will come up to $10.48. In today's savings search, there is a BOGO coupon for this that will take off $4.49. But we all received a $3.99 off too in our app. So depending on which one you have, use it. But if you're using the BOGO coupon that we got in today's savings search, you have to pay $6.09 and get $5 back. Check your fetch, because mine, I have a 500 points on each one of them. That will be a total of 1,000 points. And I also have another 1,250 points back for spending 8. This one is a little bit tricky because lately my fetch doesn't count the actual amount. It counts the subtotal of what I spend on my receipt. So if I use extra care box and pay 0, it will not count, it will not track for the $8. But if everything tracks, this will end up being free and a $1 money maker. The next deal will be on Insure. It's on the deal of buy 2, get $5 back, and it says any, and this is a limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the Butter Pecan Shake, priced at $12.49 each, and these 2 items will come up to $24.98. Using 2 of the $3 coupon, this one you're looking at, I printed this one out from my email, but I have 2 of the $3 in my app, so check yours. You might have 2 of them. That way you don't need any paper coupon. And also use a 4 off 25 any protein powder shake or bar CRT. It will bring it down to $14.98. Getting $5 back will make both of them $9.98 or $4.99 each. If you need the Boost Glucose Control, the 4 to 6 pack is on sale for $9.99, and when you buy 4, you get $8 back. I checked my account and this is not attaching to the 7 off 2 digital coupon we received today. So if this is what you need, you can use Extra Care Box to pay for it. The next deal is for kids and it's on Raw Sugar Kids Bubble Bath or Detangler. When you buy one, you get $2 back and it's a limit of 1. Picking up the Raw Sugar Bath Bombs, priced at $5.29. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, it's not on sale, so you can use it with this deal, or you can also add it to your 10 off 70 or 6 off 30, whatever threshold CRT you have. Then you get $2 back, making it just $3.29. The next deal is on L'Oreal Elvive. It's on buy 3, get $5 back, limit of 1. Picking up 3 of the ones priced at $5.59 each will bring it up to $16.77. I have a 3 off 15 L'Oreal Elvive CRT, and I also have this 3 off 2 coupon I got from coupons.com. Everybody's supposed to receive the 5 off 3 digital coupon today. These whole coupons and the CRT will bring it down to $5.77, and I get $5 back, making all 3 of them 77 cents or 26 cents each. The next deal will be on CoverGirl Cosmetics. It's on the deal of buy 3, get $9 back, and it's a limit of 1. We just had this deal last week. Picking up 3 of the Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $4.99 each. These 3 items will come up to $14.97. Then use 3 of the $3 coupon that we got in the 730 savings set. It will bring it down to $5.97, and you get $9 back, making all 3 items free and a $3.03 money maker. The next deal will be on Maybelline Cosmetics. It's on the deal of buy 2, get $5 back, limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the Maybelline Mascara Remover, priced at $5.79 each. These 2 items will come up to $11.58. If you still have the $3 instant CRT we received last week, because that one is a very good one because it extended. I printed mine out and it extended to the 5th of August. Using that one and the one we received today, we'll take off $6 and bring it down to $5.58 and get $5 back, making both items 58 cents or 29 cents each. The next deal will be on buy 2 Palmolive or Ajax, and you get $2 back, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and this is a limit of 1. You can buy the Ajax if that's what you want, but with this deal I'll be focusing on the Palmolive. Picking up 2, one will be full price and one will be half off, and it's priced at $4.99. I have 2 of these 75 cents coupon I got from coupons.com. They are no longer available because they expired on the 29th, but everybody received a 75 cents coupon today that will also apply. With these 2 coupons, it will bring it down to $5.99. Pay that and get $2 back, making both items $3.99 or $2 each. The next deal I'll be sharing will be the spend 40 get $10 back. This is a limit of 1 per card, and I'll be showing you 3 ways to do this. The first way to do it is picking up 2 of the Old Spice body spray priced at $9.29, and remember they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 of the deodorants priced at $8.49, and to get to 40, pick up 2 of the Secret deodorant priced at $8.79. These 6 products will come up to $39.87, which is within the 98% rule. So make sure your store follows that. And we'll be using a 5 off 3 Old Spice digital coupon everybody received today. And we all received another 4 off 2 Secret deodorant digital coupon as well. Last week, we received a 3 off 2 CRT that will also apply to all this. That will bring it down to $27.86, and I'll get $10 back. Check your Ibotta because I have a $2 back on each of the Old Spice, limit of 4. That will give me back an extra $8. And for buying 2 of the secret deodorant, I will get another $2 back. After the Ibotta rebate, these 6 items will end up costing $7.86 or $1.31 each. And this is another good deal to add to 10 of 70 next purchase CRT. The second way to do the spend 40 get $10 back will be picking up the Charming Ultra Gentle 12 rolls on sale for $15.99. Pick up 2 of the Tide detergent 92 ounces on sale for $12.99. These 3 items will total $41.97, and we have a $2 off Charming digital coupon in our app, and also another $3 for the Tide. Check today's savings search, there is another $3 for the Tide as well. The coupons will bring it down to $33.97 and get $10 back, making all 3 of them $23.97 or $7.99 each. If you have a 10 of 70 or 6 of 30, this would be a good deal to add to it. The third way I'll be sharing to do the spend 40 get $10 back will be picking up 2 of the Cottonelle flushable wipes on sale for $4.99 each, or you can pick up the 4-pack toilet tissue. It's on sale for $4.99. The next items I'll be adding in will be the herbal essence, shampoo or conditioner. It's on sale for 2 for $14. So you can choose whichever one you want if you want 2 shampoos or 2 conditioners. To complete the deal, pick up 1 of the Charming Ultra Gentle 12 roll on sale for $15.99. All 5 items will come up to $39.97, which is still within the 98% rule. Use a 3 off 2 herbal essence digital coupon everybody received today, and I also have a 4 off 14 herbal essence CRT and a $2 for the Charming. It will bring it down to $29.97 and get $10 back, making all 5 items $19.97 or $4 each, and this is another good deal to add to a 10 of 70. Oreo cookie is part of the buy 2 get $1 back, and this is a limit of 1. It's also on sale for 2 for $9. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have one, you can use it. Pay the $9 and get $1 back, making both items $8 or $4 each. I know this is not a good savings, but if you need help to get to your threshold, this will be a good deal to add to that transaction. Another good filler item that is not giving back extra care box is on the Hershey Minis or Kissed brand, 7.2 ounces to 10.8 ounces. It's on sale for 2 for $8, and everybody received a $3 instant CRT that will bring it down to $5, making both items $5 or $2.50 each. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for your support. I will see you all next time. Stay safe and bye.